Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's Mr. Bissinger here. I'm going to be reading a book in honor of Earth Day called Human Footprint: Everything You Will Eat, Use, Wear, Buy, and Throw Out in Your Lifetime by Ellen Kirk. Here's the contents. Your human footprint is the mark you make on the earth. You're the only person in the country, the United States, that has 308 million, that's 308 million people on the planet, and Earth that has 6,800,000,000 people. So, with all those people, could your small human footprint really make a difference? Yes, you matter. What you do adds up. In your lifetime, you'll munch through 12 shopping carts full of candy bars. Yum. You'll drive 627,000 miles in a car, and that's just a tiny toe of your human footprint. In this book, you'll see pictures and read numbers describing what you'll eat, drink, use, and throw away in your lifetime. You really means the average American, a person who lives 77 and 3/4 years. The pictures have been set up, not doctored, to show the numbers exactly. The number of soda cans in the picture on page 20 matches the number of sodas our average American will drink in a lifetime, 43,371. Read on to discover how amazingly big your human footprint really is, and how you can make it smaller while still having plenty of fun. Here's your score. 5,054 newspapers in your lifetime, 12,888 oranges in your lifetime, 3,796 diapers in your lifetime, 12,129 hamburger buns in your lifetime, 31,350 gallons of gas in your lifetime. It takes just a half pint of crude oil to make the plastic lining of just one disposable diaper. That adds up to 1,898 pints for each baby. Moms, dads, and babysitters toss out 18 billion disposable diapers each year in the United States. That's enough to make a diaper trail around the earth 90 times. You wore a total of 3,796 diapers when you were a baby. It could take 500 years for the disposable diapers we use today to biodegrade. You'll drink 13,056 pints of milk in your lifetime. The average American consumes about 3 pints a week, 14 pints a month, and 168 pints a year. 9.2 million cows on 65,000 dairy farms work hard to produce the milk you consume. Every day, each cow eats 100 pounds of grass and other food and drinks 25 to 50 gallons of water. It takes a lot of space to grow all that grass for all those cows, more than 20 million acres. It's as if the entire state of Louisiana were reserved just for cows. And it takes 12 pounds of milk to make 1 gallon of ice cream. All of those sandwiches and pieces of toast will add up to 87,520 slices of bread. All the bread you'll eat makes up 4,376 loaves. If you piled those loaves onto a scale, they would weigh just over 2 tons, close to what a full-grown hippopotamus weighs. If you put all the wheat fields in America side by side, they would equal the area of the size of the state of Wyoming. Every 3 years, you eat your weight in bread. This parade of 28,433 rubber ducks show all the showers you'll take in your lifetime. To wash your hands, water the lawn, and flush the toilet, you'll send another 1.2 million gallons spinning down the drain. With that much water, you could fill 4 Olympic-sized swimming pools. To stay clean in a lifetime, you will use 656 bars of soap, 198 bottles of shampoo, 389 tubes of toothpaste, 272 containers of deodorant, and 156 toothbrushes. The average American uses 10 different body products every day. That includes lotions, makeups, and perfume, as well as soap and shampoo. To create all those gels, creams, and sweet-smelling liquids, companies use more than 5,000 different ingredients. When we rinse our faces and bodies at the end of the day, we wind up washing most of those chemicals down the drain. There, they mix together in combinations that nobody planned. That's wilder than any science fair project. By the way, the record for the world's longest hair is 18 feet, 5.54 inches. 12,888 is the number of oranges you will eat. To get from the grove to the store where you'll buy them, those oranges will travel a total of 23 million miles. That's the same as traveling to the moon and back 50 times. A single orange tree can bear fruit for no more than 100 years. You will eat 14,518 candy bars, which is enough to fill 12 shopping carts. The first American chocolate bar was made in 1894, but they didn't get really popular until World War I when they became soldiers' favorite snacks. American candy makers use more than 320 million pounds of peanuts, 759 million pounds of cocoa beans, and 2.3 billion pounds of sugar, and 1.04 billion pounds of milk each year. The sugar from all those candy bars totals 1,055 pounds. That is the same as 211 5-pound bags of sugar. In your lifetime, you will drink an astounding 43,371 cans of soda. If you lined up all those cans, they'd stretch 3.42 miles. That's 50 football fields with end zones. Each day, 178 million cans of soda are popped open across the country. That's more than 2,000 cans per second. The sugar in one can of soda equals 10 sugar cubes. Every year, you'll buy 48 new things to wear. To make room in your closet for those new outfits, you'll toss out 68 pounds of t-shirts, jeans, and other old clothes every year. You will spend $52,972 on your clothes in your lifetime. If you weighed all your dirty laundry in a year, it would tip the scales at 500 pounds. You will own 12 cars in your lifetime. Every year, Americans throw out 4.6 million tons of tires. Some old tires are ground up and made into turf for sports fields and soft paddling for playgrounds. The parts of the cars you'll own will travel farther than your complete cars will ever drive. In some cars, the seatbelts come from Sweden, the doors from Thailand, and the stereo and electric wiring from China. You and your fellow Americans throw away 694 plastic bottles a second. Over a lifetime, each of us will also toss out 29,700 pounds of plastic packaging, plastic food wrappers, plastic grocery bags, plastic garbage bags, plastic toy boxes, and more. Almost all plastic is made from oil or natural gas. No one knows how long plastic takes to break down. Once it's in a landfill, it may stay there forever. 4 billion pounds of plastics are recycled each year in the United States, saving enough energy, oil, and natural gas to heat 2.1 million homes. Your human footprint: 12 cars, 7 washing machines, 5 refrigerators, 15 computers, 796 disposable diapers, $52,972 worth of clothes, 5,054 newspapers, 4,376 loaves of bread, 28,433 rubber ducks representing 28,433 showers, 9,917 pounds of potatoes, 13,056 pints of milk, 43,371 cans of soda, and 12 shopping carts full of candy bars. Now you know just how big your human footprint is. Next step, try to make it smaller. The world will thank you. How to shrink your human footprint. 7 important tips. Use less plastic. Bring a cloth bag when you shop, and use refillable water bottles. Number 2, ask your parents to use Energy Star approved light bulbs. If every American home replaced a standard bulb with an energy efficient one, we would save enough energy to light 3 million homes for a year. Number 3, eat more vegetables. It takes only 6 gallons of water to grow a serving of lettuce. Compare that to 2,600 gallons it takes to produce a serving of steak. Number 4, recycle your cans. It takes 95% less energy to make an aluminum can from recycled aluminum than from new material. Number 5, walk or ride a bike. Your family saves gas by leaving the car behind. Number 6, recycle your batteries and use rechargeable batteries when you can. When batteries end up in landfills, toxic chemicals seep into the ground, harming the environment. Number 7, don't waste food. Enough edible food to feed 49 million people ends up in landfills in the United States each year. Here are a couple other tips. Collect rainwater, then use it to water your plants and wash your cars. Turn down the heat in your home. Just 2 degrees can save a lot of energy. Unplug TVs, microwaves, and other appliances you don't use much. It can cut your electricity use by 10%. Let's do something good for the planet. Use only what you need and have fun doing it. Hope you enjoyed the story.